Holly Anderson here at Mario's Italian Cafés in Palm Desert. We are featuring this amazing, delicious restaurant for Friday Family Lunch Series.
I'm a meat cutter and a butcher, old style guy on the hook, and I'm a chef. My uncle's restaurants, I worked weekdays, and on weekdays I worked at my dad's butcher shop, and weekends at the restaurant. In Brooklyn on Fulton Street, I had my first restaurant at 19 years old, and I was there until 1969. After the snowstorm in New York, I moved to Palm Springs and opened my first restaurant in the high desert, Coachella Valley. I wanted a country setting. I bought a ranch with horses and cows, and my children were 8, 9, and 10. Opened my first restaurant in 1972. We're here 53 years now in the Valley. We operate 6 restaurants. I am with California Bank and Trust since 1980. This is my flagship restaurant. I put a lot of feeling into it. The mural behind me is the Amalfi Coast, where my great-grandfather was born. Smell the aroma.
Oh my gosh, delicious.
That's
Absolutely.
something all by itself. This is my angel hair de pompadour. It's made with fresh garlic, fresh basil, fresh tomato. It's a sauteed cooked fish. My vegetarian people love it. It's my light sauce of the 21 different sauces that we make here. And it's very, very flavorful. It's my garden sauce. We served the largest glass of wine in this valley for $5. In 1954, my Uncle Gennaro said, "Mariano, vieni qua. You promised me if you ever open a restaurant, you give a big glass of wine, not too much money." And I said, "Sure, Uncle Jerry." No, you swear." So I swore. We're selling this glass of wine since 1972 for $5. We've never raised the price. I have 13 grandchildren, 8 of them in the business, 5 great-grandchildren. I have to wait till they grow up before I can put them to work. Our locations start from Palm Springs all the way to Indio. We have one approximately in every town. Each location is there at least 15 years up to 30 years.